To make an enchanting table in Minecraft, you need to gather the required materials and follow a specific crafting pattern. The materials needed are 4 obsidian blocks, 2 diamonds, and 1 book. Obsidian blocks can be obtained by pouring water into lava, then mining the resulting obsidian with a diamond pickaxe. Diamonds can be found by mining deep into the earth, and a book can be crafted using 3 pieces of paper and 1 piece of leather. Once you have all the materials, open your crafting table and arrange the items in the following pattern. Place 1 obsidian block in the top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right corners of the grid. Then place 1 diamond in the top center and bottom center squares. Finally, place the book in the middle square of the grid. After arranging the items in the correct pattern, the enchanting table will appear in the right side of the crafting table. Click on it to add it to your inventory. To use the enchanting table, place it in the world and right-click on it. This will open the enchanting menu, where you can enchant your tools and armor using experience points and lapis lazuli. It is a good idea to place the enchanting table in a well-lit and safe area, such as near your base, to prevent mobs from interfering with your enchanting. You should also have a sufficient amount of experience points and lapis lazuli before attempting to enchant items with an enchanting table. You can greatly improve your chances of survival and success in the world of Minecraft.